Monotubs are one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to grow edible and medicinal mushrooms indoors. They're great for growing mushrooms off of inoculated bulk substrates such as boomer bag or woodlover blends. Or they can be used as grow chambers for fruiting blocks and kits. This monotub is designed with airflow and humidity control in mind. Its compact size makes it ideal for use in almost any location. The top and bottom can be stacked together for easy transport and storage when not in use. It's equipped to control airflow circulation and humidity retention. It's durable with tight-fitting latches to keep the lid sealed to the base. And it's fit with a custom light-blocking base to help prevent mushrooms from growing on the sides or bottom of your bin. This base can easily accommodate a monotub liner, should you choose to use one. A few of our recommended add-ons include self-adhesive filters and black micropore tape, which are designed to fit over holes on the monotub lid and base. These keep out foreign spores, insects, and other contaminants while maintaining humidity and air exchange. And like always, please feel free to reach out to Spore if you have any questions or concerns about this product.